Look at my hair. We all look like a freaking mess right now. Look who joined us today. So it is currently 8:13 in the morning. I am just currently waiting for my mom and my grandma. We have another market today. We will be at the Salisbury Greenhouse in Sherwood Park for Harvest Fest, and I am so excited because I've been getting so into like the pumpkin season, like the fall season. It's one of my favorites. By the way, I'm gonna be having this morning. I don't know why I've never tried this before, and I don't even know if it's brand new, but I'm telling you, it is like the closest that I found to the Starbucks pumpkin spice. It's actually, for me, better than the one that Starbucks has. Starbucks is really, really sweet, but if you mix the two, I have mixed them, use this one in your drink, and then use the other one to make like the pumpkin foam. So good. But this one doesn't foam very well. I just more put it in my frother more just to kind of heat it up. 11 to 4 p.m. There's gonna be like carnival games, like a train, pumpkin painting, all this kind of stuff. So I'm really excited, and the same organizers are doing another one here in St. Albert tomorrow, which is literally like right behind my house. First fall like market of season, so I'm really, really excited to get like all the fall content. Just my favorite season, you guys, my favorite. Already kind of left everything by the door. Everything's ready to go. What I love about this market is that they already provide a table and 2 chairs. So I'm just gonna bring an extra chair because my grandma's coming. I'm going to make myself a little small pick-me-up for this morning, and then we're gonna head off to Harvest Fest. I'm so tired. I'm like trying to talk in this vlog right now, but you can tell in my face. I'm so tired. I just had a hard time sleeping last night because I took the biggest nap yesterday because it was my first day off. So, but yeah, let's go to Harvest Fest. Wildin', keep on wildin', on my bed, forgive me for my wildin'. Leave it up to me, baby. 2 a.m. got me feeling myself. All alone, but I'm loving myself. But you, baby, you can hit my line. Know you crave me all the time. But and I like to give attention, but my time is still expensive. And I like to give attention, but my time is still expensive. Over there in that one. Okay guys, we're at Harvest Fest. Here's the booth. I forgot my mic this morning charging, which I'm very upset about, so I will try and get through this. The wind is gnarly today, but we had to make some changes. Let me know what you think, because the wind was just awful this morning, so every time the gust of wind comes, my car stops a little bit. But here's how it ended up looking. How cute is this, guys? I saw this idea at one of my another pop-up market, but people can grab like a cute little basket and then can kind of like shop. Oh, hi. And they can shop our booth. Isn't that so cute? Yeah. Nana, say hi to the vlog. Look who joined us today. Hello. Oh my god, careful.
Don't grab that. Grab Nana again.
She made us this yummy, yummy cake. Look at this for breakfast. Ooh. Oh my god, the wind. We started the tunes, okay. But look at my hair, you guys. Like, look at the wind. It is 10:40, so we're gonna be getting started here soon. But I'll show you guys a little bit about the grounds once we start, because it's still kind of setting up. So, but yeah, we're almost ready to start, you guys. Oh my god, the sun, the wind, everything. Oh. Top down cruising, driving down the highway, inside dreaming, outside never. wind this bad. Like our whole display's been kind of like falling apart, so we're like just like on standby at all points of the day. But the music is so loud, so I'm like screaming into the mic. Vendor stuff are like going everywhere. It's just so bad because some people like have like breakable things, so it just sucks for us. But whatever, let's just make it through these couple hours. We'll be more prepared for tomorrow's market. So just casually holding on to this, like I'm just chilling, but I'm actually trying to hold on right for dear life. Look at my hair. Okay, just to show you how windy it is. Our tent, even though it has weights on it, I'm nervous it's gonna like break because it keeps going back and forth. It keeps blowing stuff off our table. We're literally holding the fort down. We've been told by many customers, and it's like we're trying to like sign people out and check people out, and then the freaking thing's like flying away. So it's kind of excited for this day to be over. Like, look at my hair. Oh my god, look at my hair. What a market, you guys. The wind. Like, we all look like a freaking mess right now because of the wind. Saw two of our favorite stores, Dollarama and Ardene's, and guess what we're stopping? Dollarama Ardene's. We're about to waste all the money we just made, but whatever. Guys, that market was so windy. Let's see how tomorrow is, but let's go to the dollar store. I want to see if we can find some cute new table display pieces. Okay, so I am back home. It was such a good environment though. I'm not gonna lie, like the whole atmosphere, it was just so much fun. So many kids having fun. The little train, like the lineup for the train was like all the way to our tent. But the wind, like I felt so bad for us and the other vendors because the wind just like was just awful, and I felt bad for this older lady beside us who was selling these beautiful handmade stainless like stained glass, like all these cute little ornaments made out of glass. I think she broke like one or two, but my god, it broke my heart because like at least with us, like the jewelry we can kind of put back and we can, you know, it'll fly off. It did ruin actually one necklace, the wind blew our mannequin down, and for some reason our necklace like this completely snapped. And that one I just cannot repair at this point because it snapped like right in the middle here. I don't even know how that happened. For stuff, like besides our stuff, like everything kind of just get, like we could stand it up again. Hers, like if it fell, like it would break. So I just felt awful for her. And then like down the road, like down the vendor line, there was another person that was selling like those freeze-dried treats, and her bags were like falling like everywhere. Like the wind just wouldn't let her have a moment, and they ended up moving her inside because the wind was just so crazy. But other than that, like it was such a cute market. I got some of my coworkers came by to say hi, which was really, really nice. And yeah, it was really, really cute. And of course I got like so much cute pumpkin decor. Overall, such a good market. We had so much fun.